Hey, how are you? Listen, I have had many questions about how often I steam my hair, and if you should air dry your hair after you steam your hair or what, right? So I am going to answer a question that many ask, and that is, how often do I steam my hair? Well, I steam my hair, I cleanse my scalp, I shampoo, I condition, I oil my scalp, and I steam my hair for 60 minutes on a weekly basis. And it's usually like Saturday night or Sunday if I don't have anything going on. If not, it'll be one day during the week. But usually that is my day. And I usually air dry it depending on the time of day that I do this. So I usually air dry it if it's in the daytime, and then I will later on braid it or curl it, depending on what style I want to achieve. And then I let it dry for about 2 days because I don't use heat on my hair at all. And after 2 days, I have a great style, right? And so, but now if I wash and condition and oil and steam my hair at night, which is mostly what I do, I will let it air dry a little bit, and then I will wear my towel cap to bed, right? I will put my hair, let me take this out. I will put my hair under the towel cap like this. And these towel caps you get with your premium steamer kit, right? You get a free super absorbent towel cap. This is so soft and it just absorbs all the water. So I will put my hair under my towel cap like this, and I will sleep in it. I will, of course, put a towel down on my pillowcase so it won't mess my pillow up. And then in the morning time, I take this thing off and I just kind of shake my hair, and I will style it, or I will just put it in a soft ponytail. So like when I don't have anywhere to go, I use these things here or my Lila Rose hair clips, and I loosely put my hair in a ponytail, or I will, you see how loose that is? You see how loose that is? I will loosely put my hair in a ponytail, or I will wear a headband, something like this. This is good to wear as well. It's soft on your hair, and you can exercise with it, and you can pull it back like this and put you some earrings on. You can do like this, however you like to wear it, and you can go out and do your shopping or whatever you have to do for that day. And I will also use this as a ponytail holder as well. So just like this, I'll just take it and I will use this as another ponytail holder. See, I don't like to pull my hair real tight, and that's why my edges don't have any issues. And then, I just can't stand my hair real tight, and it really helps to protect your hair as well. And so that's what I do. I, again, let it air dry in the daytime if I'm, cleansing it in the daytime. And then I will either braid it or I will roll it up, and I'll have a style in a couple of days. I let it dry for about 2 days because I don't wear heat. I don't use heat. And that's it, right? Like last night I did that. I washed my hair, I conditioned it, I oiled it, and I steamed it, and I just slept in my towel cap. And today I didn't do anything, so I just put it in a ponytail, and that's it. So tonight I will more than likely braid it in maybe 6 big braids. And so in the next couple of days, I'll have a nice textured look, and then I'm good to go, right? So that's what I wanted to do, is just answer that question, is if you are supposed to air dry your hair or what, because some people that have really super thick hair experience mold or mildew, that mildew smell. And if you do have that issue, then yes, I would encourage you to let it air dry a little longer, and maybe not braid it until it's almost half dry, and then braid it, and then have that braid out style. So I just want to answer that question in the comments below. Let me know what you do on your me time, after you steam and cleanse your hair. How do you take care of your hair?